You can tell it's real because it looks so fake, honestly. Like, we'd have way better CGI if it was fake.
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Enterprise. Its 5-year mission, to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
This is an example of the sort of abuse you get all the time from ignorant people. I inherited this religion from my father, an ex-used car salesman on part-time window box, and I am very proud to be in charge of the first religion with free gifts. A lot of religions, no names, no pecto, do go for the poorer type of person. Face it, there's more of them. Poor people, thieves, villains, poor people without no money at all. Well, we don't have none of that tat. Rich people and crumpet over 16 can enter free. Upper middle class, quite welcome. Lower middle class, not under £5 a year. Lower class, I can't touch it. There's no return on it, you see.
Do you have any difficulty converting people?
No, well, we have ways of making them join. Norman there does a lot of converting, a lot of protection, that sort of thing, and there's his mate Bruce Beer. Brucey has personally converted 92 people, 25 inside the distance. Then again, we're not afraid to use more modern methods.
Sarah, today's diocesan lovely, is enough to make any chap go down on his knees. This 23-year-old bishop hails, appropriately enough, from Bishop Stortford, and lists her hobbies as swimming, riding, and film producers. What a guess! Bet she's no novice when it comes to converting all in her see.
Our religion is the first church to cater for the naughty type of person. If you like a bit of love your neighbour, and who doesn't now and again, then see Vera and Sicily during the hymns.
In our church, we believe first and foremost in you. We want you to think of us as your friend.